guys. There's a lawnmower update. So yesterday, I got this attached. Seat bracket. Here I've got a seat, but again, it's a John Deere seat. I don't know if it'll fit. So, when you take a look at it, you can see what I did. I took the metal corner. I took one long metal corner piece thing. I don't even know what it's called. They use it on buildings. The rain is ruining this. It's just making it all dirty. Yeah, I took one of those and I cut it to size to be a bracket. And I punctured some holes in it and I got this. You see the way it works, how it's so hingy, how it acts like a hinge. It's because look right here. Using a rubber nut or washer, you can make it very free. And also, it doesn't matter how weak the supports are, it can still handle a lot of pressure. So, yeah. My next update is to either get a seat or try and rig that John Deere seat to fit onto it. So yeah, thanks for watching.